Friends, welcome to your math class. In earlier classes, you have studied through activities the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can prove this statement using theorem related to parallel line. So theorem is there. The sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. Yes. This is the theorem. A triangle ABC is given. A triangle ABC is given. We have to prove that A, B and C is equal to 180 degree. So children, we draw a parallel line. We draw a parallel line PQ which is parallel to BC. Okay? BC. We draw a line which is parallel to BC. When we draw a line PQ which is parallel to BC, so here AB is a transversal and AC also a transversal. So children, you have to write there given, what is given? Given that triangle ABC, that is given, and we have to prove that. What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. These things we have to prove. Okay. In construction, we draw. First step, we draw these things. We draw PQ. We draw PQ, a line which is parallel to BC. BC and PQ both are parallel. If BC and PQ are parallel, then AB is a transversal. If AB is a transversal, so then angle PAB is equal to angle ABC. So angle PAB is equal to angle, this angle ABC, angle ABC. Okay, this is equation number 1. We consider. Now, since BC and PQ are parallel and AC is transversal, if AC is transversal, so angle QAC and angle ACD is equal. How it is equal? By angle, this angle PAB and angle ABC are equal by alternate angles, because these both are alternate angles and lines are parallel. So we know that alternate angles are equal. Earlier we proved it. Now angle QAC is equal to angle ACB. This is equation number 2 by, this is also by alternate angles. So children, by alternate angles, if they are equal, so here since angle, this one PAB and angle BAC and angle QAC, means we consider that is angle 1, 2 and 3. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, these are a linear pair. Yes, they make a straight angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that make a straight angles. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to, since angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they make a linear pair. They make a linear pair. When they make a linear pair, that's why they are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle PAB. So angle PAB, that is equal to 1, and angle 2, this one, this angle is 2, that is angle BAC. So that is 2, and angle QAC, that is 3. So children, can we write at 1 is angle ABC, this is angle ABC. Okay. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, this is equation number 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, what we get? Angle ABC angle ABC plus angle BCA, angle ABC and angle 3 angle BAC, that angle 2 is angle BAC plus angle ABC, sorry, ACB, that is equal to angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to angle ACB, so that is angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So children, angle ABC, that is B, so angle B plus angle A plus angle C, that is equal to 180 degree. It's good. Theorem second theorem is given there. If any side of a triangle is extended, then the exterior angle so formed, so here, is the sum of the two opposite interior angle of the triangle. So children, here given that a triangle ABC. What is given? Given that triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is given. We extend its side BC. If any side of triangle is extended, so extend the side BC. BC, we extend side BC till D. So extended side BC till D. Now, if we form we get the exterior angle, that is ACD, that is the exterior angle. This angle is exterior angle. Okay. So by naming, we consider it is the angle 4. This is angle 1, and this is angle 2, and this is angle 3. What we have to prove? We prove that. What we have to prove? 4 is equal to, is angle 4 is equal to, this is the exterior angle. Okay. Then the exterior angle is so formed. So 4 is formed, that is exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So opposite interior angle. So which angle is opposite interior of angle 4? This one, angle 1 and angle 2. So it means angle 1 plus angle 2. This thing we have to prove. Okay. This we have to prove. Now prove that. How will prove it? Children, since 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Why angle 3 and angle 4, the sum of angle 3 and angle 4 is 180 degree? By linear pair. They form a linear pair. Yes? So what do we write there? By linear pair. Okay? Now, as we know that the sum of, this is equation number 1 we consider. As we know that the sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 2 by angle sum property. By angle sum property. By angle sum property. So children, from equation 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to what we can write? Left hand side and right hand side. We compare it. Right hand side of those equations are equal. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree, and 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. It means from equation 1 and 2, we get what we get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay? Because right hand side are equal, it means left hand side also equal. So from here angle 3 and angle 3 is cancelled. So we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That proved. It's clear? That